씌우는 좀 시간이 오래 걸리고.
약간 지성도 피었는데 지금 깨끗하네. 그렇지. 손 꼼꼼히. 두피를 모공을 열어주고요.
Hi, my name is Mimi. I'm from Canada and I took the Scalp Care Trichology. So I came here 2 years ago for a skincare class and I love the academy so much. I have learned so much from here. That's why I decided to come back another time 2 years later to get the scalp care course. So we are already established in Canada. We offer services such as skincare, semi-permanent makeup. Now we want to incorporate new service in our studio. A lot of people are suffering from hair loss or issues with their hair. So I think this would be a very good service to offer to our clients, and I cannot wait to share this new service with them.
Not like it's gonna be like handsome, yeah. I try to reduce too and improve how they wash. People getting
그렇지, 깨끗이 된 데도 있고 깨끗이 안 된 데도 있고.
So I learned a lot in the 3 past days about all of the steps, how to take care of different scalp types. Let's say you have dry, oily, or other issues. We have different steps. It's really interesting. I love the instructors. They are very friendly. They really take their time to explain to you all of the steps. They stay next to you. You have different models to practice on as well. All the equipments are very up to date. So I highly recommend.
So good. 오, 슬리피. 오 마이 갓. 타요?
So as you all know, Korea is #1 country worldwide knowing for their technology, innovation, about skincare, about all the trending beauty technology. That's why I decided to come back here and learn about the Korean techniques and bring it back to my country. What I loved about Mikwang Academy is that you are really learning about all the practical techniques. It's 30% theory and the rest you have different models to work on. I want to learn all of the classes here. The massage was amazing. I wish I could have it every day. And I cannot wait to share it to my clients.
This is your Chanel standing up. This is your flat and the tin top, relaxing. And this here in the crown is together finger. And 1, 2.
헤어팩을 하고 있습니다.
Good. And the body. This is the motor and this is your lip down.
You all should come to Mikwang Academy. This is my #1 recommendation. Love the people, love the service, love the overall. So you should give it a try. Thanks.
Silicone brush.
이쪽에 실리콘
A little
브러쉬.
more pressure. Yeah, a little more pressure. No, it's bone. Yeah, this here. Here, yeah.
Release.
It's handling and the control.
Genre, je peux être vraiment précis. Ah ouais? Ouais. Comme ça, si je le fais, que je extende plus. Ah oui,
Hi everyone, my name is Julie.
Hey, my name is Mimi.
We're from Brown Lashberry. We're a beauty studio. It's established in Montreal, Canada. So we've been offering like authentic skincare, Korean skincare since 2 years ago. And we came back in Korea to learn like more services to offer that in Montreal. And we're super excited to go back to our country to offer that service. So, see ya!